No, 14.
Shall we continue?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're okay?
I'm not happy about it, I can't see it.
Okay, this is enough, so that's all I need. Okay. So finding the remainder by using long division is a long process. It's not quick to do. So what we're going to do is to see if we can do it a quicker way. So let's have a look. The remainder theorem. Yep. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and find a formula to calculate the remainder. So I don't need to use long division. So what I'm trying to do, if you look, well, I'll write it here. I'm trying to figure out if there's some formula to calculate the remainder. So I don't have to do this. Because it's long. That's why it's called long division. Okay? So let's see what we can come up with. Okay. So here is my cubic. So what I'm trying to do is find the formula. So this is why I have no numbers, because I want a formula. What should I put here first? Ax squared. So this would be ax cubed minus akx squared. Yeah? That's okay so far? You look so worried, Grace. Is it okay?
Why?
This multiply this. Is it okay? Alright. So when I subtract here, I'm left with b plus ak x squared plus cx plus d. You writing this for her? Come on, I'm not doing this for fun. I know it looks like I'm having fun, but I'm not doing it for fun.
This is a formula.
Yep. Right, so what do I need next? What's next? X, good. So this will be b plus ak x squared minus, it's minus k, bk plus ak squared, good, x. And then
Why not kx, is it?
kx?
Yes.
Kx. Oh, the k just needs to go on one of them. It doesn't need to go on the x also. It can go on just the first one. Or if you want, you can put the k here and not on the first one. It only needs to go on one of them. What do I do next? Oh yeah, sorry, now I need to subtract. So these cancel. And now I'm left with bracket c plus bk. No, sorry, no. C, oh yeah, no, plus, yeah, because it's a minus here. BK plus AK squared X plus D. Now don't worry, there's only one left to do. Here I do plus C plus BK plus AK squared. So now when I multiply, I get C plus bk plus ak squared x minus ck plus bk squared where am I? This one times this one minus ak cubed. So when I subtract, I have a formula for my remainder, because this is the remainder at the end. The remainder equals d plus ck plus bk squared plus ak cubed. Or in other words, the remainder equals ak cubed plus bk squared plus ck plus d. Now does that formula look familiar? ak cubed plus bk squared plus ck plus d.
Yeah.
Yeah, where have we seen it? No, today. Well look, that is the same as the question, isn't it? Except for one difference. What's the difference? K is replacing x. So here's the result. If fx equals ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d is divided by x minus k, the remainder is equal to fk. In other words, if you want the remainder, all you need to do is replace the x with k, and you get the remainder. I'm going to show you what that means with an example. This is this is the name of the lesson. This is called the remainder theorem. Okay, I'll show you with an example. Just waiting for you for Harlow thing, so we'll go down. So, let me show you the two ways. So, for example, let's say we have something like x cubed plus x squared plus x plus 1 divided by x minus 1. So if I use long division, let's see what we get. What goes here? X squared, x cubed minus x squared, that's 2x squared plus x plus 1. Plus 2x squared minus x, no, minus 2x, isn't it? 2x squared minus 2x, 3x plus 1, plus 3x, it's 3x, plus 3, come on Stephen, plus 3x minus 3, so the remainder is 4, okay? Now, let's use the quick way. The remainder theorem says the remainder should equal f of 1, where this is the f. Yeah. So if I put 1 into this formula, what do I get? 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, which equals 4. Yeah? So this remainder theorem gives you a quick way to calculate the remainder, and you don't need to use long division. It's a very important and very useful result. Huh? Oh yeah, it's common in the exam. And you can use it, yeah.
Don't use it.
Yeah, if they don't say it, don't need to use the long division. So the only small little problem is, can I go down a little bit? If you want to divide by x minus 1, for example, you have to use x equals 1. But what about if I had something like x plus 1? What would I use? X equals minus 1. Now, what about if I had something like 2x minus 1? What would I need to use? X equals 1 over 2.
1 over 2.
1 over 2. So this is how you get the x for the remainder theorem.
Can I scroll down?
You need to see up here, is it? So just to be clear, if you want to divide by ax plus b, that means you need to use x equals minus b over a. And this is often called the factor, although it's only a factor if the remainder is 0, really. And this is like the root, but it's only a root if, it crosses the x-axis. So I'll just say this is like a factor, or it could be a factor, and this is like a root, it could be a root. In this example here, is it a factor? Is this a factor? No, because the remainder is not 0. So this is why I'm saying it's like a factor and like a root. I don't know what the correct vocabulary is, because it's not really a factor. I suppose really maybe I should say if this is the divisor, this is the value you need to use for x.
It's value of x.
Yeah, to use in the remainder term. Value to use in remainder theorem. Divisor in long division. KJ, you have a question, or someone does?
If you now use the remainder theorem,
Yeah.
the remainder at 0, you divide by factor.
Correct, yeah. So I'll say that so that if your voice didn't pick up on it, other people can hear it. So yes, if the remainder is 0, then your divisor is a factor. And in fact, we'll look at that in another class too. Come on, KJ. Sit up. Unless you want trouble. Huh? Okay, can I go on?
Yeah, go on.
Yeah? Okay. Just before we go on, let me give you a quick question. So if the term is 5x minus, are you listening, Grace? If I have 5x minus 1, what do I use for x? So it's 5x minus 1. What do I use for x? 1 over 5. And if x is 5 over 3, if x is 5 over 3, what's the divisor? So go backwards. If x is 5 over 3, no? Go ahead, Grace.
3x minus 5?
Yeah. 3x minus 5. Yeah, so if x is 5 over 3, then that means the divisor was 3x minus 5. That's what I meant. Yeah. Yeah? I just want you to be comfortable with switching between the two. You need to do this. Switch them. Okay? Anyway, let's look at the next problem. Find P if x minus 3 is a factor of 2x cubed plus px squared plus 21x minus 18.
If you play with the form of question, so that's like it's
What do you mean?
like sometimes they play with the form of question, you know?
The language?
Yes, because they play with
Yep, you have to be careful. Okay, so I want to find p, and I know that x minus 3 is a factor. So let's have a look at it. You ready? If x minus 3 is a factor, then that means if x, well, that means that the remainder is 0. True?
Yeah.
So that means that if I calculate the remainder by using the remainder theorem, what should I use for x, by the way? X equals 3. If I put in 3, 3 cubed plus p 3 squared plus 21, 3 minus 18, what should that equal?
0.
Because it's the remainder, which should be 0. 54 plus 9p plus 63 minus 18 equals 0. 9p, this would be 54, 117, 99. I sure hope. So this means that p is minus 11.
Yes, correct.
Oh yeah. So we got the p.
So maybe for this question you ask for long division?
Good question. Use long division.
Yeah. So
Yeah, no, it's possible to do it with long division, but yeah, it's very difficult. And in fact, I don't think that's possible for the exam, because it definitely shouldn't come, because number one, it's never come up like this. In the 15 exams,
That's good.
it's not come up. Number two, it's too difficult. Number three, the syllabus doesn't really say that that could come up. The syllabus says that the students should be able to use the remainder theorem. It doesn't say that they should be able to use long division for this problem. So I would think it's very, very unlikely to come up. Yeah.
Email from NUCK.
NCUK. Yeah.
NCUK for registration. Showing links to complete the registration. Click on this thing. I clicked and there's a 404 error.
Yeah, they're updating their website, so this does not surprise me, because I've gotten emails from them too with errors on the page. I think it's a database problem, because the page that they sent me, it says the date on it is undefined, not a number. So something about their new website is not configured correctly. Can I go to another example in a moment? Okay. This question, in fact, is a little bit too easy for the exam. The next example I'm going to do is very common on the exam, where they want you to find P and Q. There's two unknowns.
Yeah.
Yeah? Can I scroll down? Yes, they would have to. Okay, so I would say, for example, let's make them not factors this time. Let's say something like when px cubed minus 26x squared minus 71x plus q is divided by x minus 1, the remainder is 9. And when it is divided by x plus 3, the remainder is minus 363. Okay, well it's just like the last one. So firstly, what do I use for the x here? 1. And the remainder should be 9. So I have p times 1 cubed minus 26 times 1 squared minus 71 times 1 plus q should equal 9. So I get p minus 26 minus 71 plus q should equal 9. So I get p plus q equals 9 plus 26 plus 71. So let me just add them up. 9, 10, 16, 96. Now, when I use x equals minus 3, I should get minus 363. So p times minus 3 cubed minus 26 times minus 3 squared minus 71 times minus 3 plus q should equal minus 363. 27p. Thank you. That would have been awkward later when I got the wrong answer. So minus 27p, and then here is minus 234 plus 213, I think, plus q equals minus 363. No? I made a mistake? No? So I get here minus 27p plus q equals minus 342.
360.
Ah, but I brought the other numbers over. Minus 363 minus 213 plus 234. Yeah.
Oh, we can solve it.
Yeah, so what do we do next, Fahad?
We can solve the both cases.
Yeah, you see, you want to find P and Q, and you have two equations with P and Q. So this looks like a lesson we had recently, doesn't it? What are the methods we have to solve this? Well, you just give me one. Substitution is one method. Someone else give me another method. Remember the methods to solve this? We have substitution, elimination. No, you already gave me one. Gaussian. One more. Graph. Yep. Yeah. So which method will we use here? Well, just use elimination. P plus Q equals 96, minus 27P plus Q equals minus 342. So on minus, I get 28P equals 438. Is that right? 438? Correct. Uh-oh. Come on. I'll have to use just my mouse. 438. Now does that divide by 28? No, rats. I feel like I made a mistake now, because I thought the p should be a nice number. What number is this? Am I doing?
No, we can make p is plus q.
Hold on. Yeah, okay. So I think maybe someone can help me here. I must have made a small mistake somewhere because it didn't work out nicely. Well, let me check that. No, I'll check it. 9 plus 71 plus 26. Yeah. Yeah, that should be 106, not 96. Here, it's not 96, it's 106. So that would be 448. Yeah, that's better, because when I do that, I get P equals 16. And then how can I get the Q?
What is the first equation?
Yeah, I just put this in here, and I get Q equals 90. Yeah? Yeah. Okay. Another one now. When you're ready. This is common in the exam. It's okay. Okay, the next one, I'll do it, but I want you to try it first because I want to see what ideas maybe people have to do it. So, can I scroll down?
Yes.
Yeah. Find P and Q if, sorry, I should say find P and Q in px cubed plus qx squared minus 45x plus 18 if 15x squared plus 13x minus 6 is a factor. I'll give you a minute to try it and then I'll see what you come up with. Well, maybe 2 minutes. I really want to see what idea you come up with to how to solve it. Okay, you can look up. What you are doing is right. Everybody has the right idea here about what to do. So just to make sure you're clear why you're doing it, this is why. So because this is a factor, you know that px cubed plus qx squared minus 45x plus 18 equals 15x squared plus 13x minus 6 multiplied by some other term. Because you know that this is a factor. It means you can say the cubic equals the quadratic. What type of term goes in here? Is it a number? A linear, a quadratic, or a cubic? What goes in here? Is a linear goes in here. But a lot of you spotted that this can be factorized into, 3x minus 1, and then 5x plus 6. And then there's another linear term here. It is, yeah. I hope so. So, what are these three? These three are the factors. So everybody realized, oh, so then that means this is a factor and this is a factor. So what's the remainder here? Remainder is,
1 over 3.
yeah, well, if x is 1 over 3, the remainder should be 0, and here the remainder should be 0. So you can use p times 1 over 3 cubed plus q times 1 over 3 squared minus 45 times 1 over 3 plus 18 should equal 0. And also p times minus 6 over 5 cubed plus q times minus 6 over 5 squared minus 45 times 6 over 5 plus 18, what should that equal? 0. So just like the two examples I did before, you have two equations with p and q.
So take both of them.
Yeah, like in the last one. So we could use elimination. So let's clean these up. I think I shall, you see here 3 cubed is 9. So I think I'll multiply this by 9. And 5 cubed is 25, so I think I'll multiply this by 25. So what I'll get is p plus 3 cubed, and this will be a big number, 45 times 3. No, why didn't anybody correct me? That shouldn't be 9. What should this be? Thank you. When your teacher says something wrong, you should say something. Don't be shy. Alright, let's try that again. So that still will be p plus 9q minus 405 plus 486 equals 0. So you have p plus 9q equals 405 minus 486 minus 81. It's not too bad. And then this one here, and this is not 25, what should it be? 125. 5 cubed. So that would be minus 6p. No, this will be 36 times 5, because the 25. Yeah, so that would be plus 180q, and then 6 divided by 5 times 45 times 125. So this will be a huge number. And then this one at the back is also huge. Okay. 6750 minus 2250. So I get minus 6p plus 180q equals 4500. Now that's actually nice because I can divide this by 6 and I'm left with minus p plus 30q equals 750.
Minus 1. Multiply minus 1?
No, it's okay. Because I can just add these. So I would get 31q. Alright, hope this works. Equals 669. Here we go. No. Dang. Oh, rats. Oh, wait, no. 39q. We're adding them together. Yeah. So let's try that again. 669 divided by 39. No. 750. Hold on. Ah, rats. We made another number mistake somewhere. Can you spot it?
Something is due to the calculation that.
Yeah, something to do with the calculation. Let's double check it. So 3 cubed is 27, multiplied by 27 is gone. 27 divided by, that'll be 9, that'll be 27 over 9, which, that's not a 9 cube, that should be a 3 cube. Here. That should be a 3.
Where?
Here. What the heck's wrong with my pen?
So,
Sorry, the page is just turned upside down for some reason. What did I press to do that?
just control V.
No, I don't think Control Z will flip it. Chambers.
Control V.
Rotate.
No, go rotate. Go to adjust view.
What the heck?
Down.
Which?
Down, yeah.
Alright, hang on. There we go. Right, don't panic. What did I say was here?
G.
Whoa! This is kind of sneaky. There we go. 3. Okay, so let's see if that fixes it. So if that's a 3, then that's a 3.
33.
So it should be 33 here.
So that's 9.
No,
No.
No?
it's still bad.
No.
So it means there's another mistake somewhere. Okay, so this is okay, this is okay. 27 divided by 3 times 45. Okay, that's okay. And then 18 times 27, 486. That's okay. 405 minus 486. Yeah, so okay. This looks fine, so it must be in this one. 27 divided, hang on. 6 divided by 5 cubed multiply 125. Oh, okay. This is totally wrong. This should be 216. I'll double check that. 6 divided by 5.
Yeah, 216.
Yeah, okay, so I don't know what happened there. So that should be with a minus. So that should have been minus 216. So that should have been divided by 6. Yeah, so sorry, that should have been here, should have been 36. With a minus. So that should have been... No, it's still a problem. Now I need, so this one's right now. Now the next one, 6 divided by 5 squared times 125, that's 180, that's right. 6 divided by 5 times 45 times 125, 6750, that's right.
Wait, yeah? No.
It's not? I think it is.
Minus 5 multiplied by 6 over 5. Oh.
6750 minus 2250 divided by 6 is 750. 180 divided by 6 is 30. And then lastly, minus 216 divided by 6 is minus 36. Plus 1. So I should have minus 35. Oh, hang on. Yeah, no. Now they don't go together nicely because the p's aren't the same.
Yeah.
So I should multiply this by 36. Okay, so I get 36p plus 108 come on. 108Q equals minus 80, no, minus 2916. And then here, minus 36P plus 30Q equals 750. Okay, let's hope this time. Add them together, 138Q equals minus 2166. Give up. I'm making too many mistakes, I can't fix it. I think it'd be best if I just start from the beginning.
Yeah.
Which value?
291.
It's not 2916?
It is, I got that. Yeah.
Yeah, 2916.
Teacher,
Yeah.
as an example, like by no mistake in the theoretical question, but my steps are good.
You can get some of them marked.
Some of them,
Yeah.
all my steps are good. Correct.
Maybe not all of the marks. It depends on the mistake you made.
Like multiplying or subtracting, adding mistake.
Yeah,
I
I
know
know.
the question will be wrong.
No, the whole question won't be wrong.
But the steps are
Yeah, then you get some marks. Yeah.
somehow.
Yeah. I don't know how much. It depends on the question and the mistake. It's not a simple answer. So, like for this question here, I don't know what mistake I made. I made some mistake. I can't see what it is. So I don't know how big of a mistake I made. But I feel like it's a stupid mistake I made with one of my numbers. I don't know what though. Did anyone see it?
No.
No.
Can we try a different method?
No, this is the easiest method. Yeah, so I tell you what, I think I'll do one like this. No, well, you can try one yourself, of course, but I'll do one like this in the tutorial.
Okay.
Now, it's possible my answer at the back is wrong, but I feel it is more likely I made a mistake.
Which is
This was the last one.
Yeah, you made it.
Don't say that with such happiness, okay? Yeah.
But at the back is it correct or not?
Well, I don't know. I think it is.
It's correct.
Yeah, because, I made the answer at the back. So, it meant at one point in time, I thought that this was the right answer. Okay.
When you making answer, did you double check the answer?
Do you think I have time to double check when I make all these answers? No. I just try not to make a mistake the first time. Okay, so what I want you to do for your homework,
Long division.
yeah, long division, I already told you what to do. So on page 22, I would like you to do all of number 1. It's short. For example, it's 1 over 5 minus 7 over 9. They're quick questions. Number 1, all of it.
That's all?
All of number 1. All of number 2. Okay. Then do, no, FGH in number 3.
Number 4.
Number 4, hang on.
Okay.
Don't confuse me. I need to pick good ones. C and E. Yeah. And then in number 5, C and G. It is number 5. Yes. Yeah. And then in number 6, B.
Only P?
Do more if you like. This homework is just, minimal. But of course, I give you lots of questions so you can practice more if you need to practice more.
Yeah.
Yes, we don't have math tomorrow.
Yeah.
But you still have physics. I'm like, you're your physics teacher. He's a jerk.
But no, have math homework tomorrow.
Yes, this is good news. But you have physics homework tomorrow.
Yeah.
No.
And the past paper.
I gave you 2 questions in the projectiles, remember?
I don't know how to fix it.
Did you try it?
Yes.
No,
I give up.
She gives up easily.
Yes.
You give up too easily. Alright.
Not 2 questions, you'll be able to like 7 questions.
That's right. Yeah, that's right.
No.